everyone, Lynn Mendoza here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what's happening inside Facebook groups now. In October 2016, Facebook started testing and showing ads inside Facebook groups. We may be not aware of it because it started testing in countries like Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and Ireland. And it's available in mobile and desktop placements only. Facebook says that they're going to reach the maximum newsfeed ad load by mid-2017. So what it means is by next year, by mid of 2017, a lot of advertisers are going to bid for a newsfeed, and there will be a lot of people participating or doing Facebook ads. And because of that, Facebook has set a limit or a maximum amount of ads that they're going to show on newsfeed, and they're going to reach that maximum by mid of 2017. And as we all know, Facebook went public in 2012, meaning they are now answering to investors. So they have to look for ways, or they have to look for other revenue streams. That's why lately, of course, Instagram ads has been there for last 2 years, I think, but it's getting bigger now. And sponsored messages, Facebook started testing that back in 2016. This year, April. And just 3 weeks ago, I saw that I have an option to advertise on sponsored messages. What do we mean by that? It means that my ad or your ad or any ads will be shown on your Facebook Messenger. And lastly, of course, we know that live video also went big this year. And it's getting bigger and bigger. A lot of people are doing live video, especially those who are influencers or actually just anyone, right? And because of that, they are also starting to test mid-roll ads, meaning at the middle of the Facebook live video, there would be a commercial break or an advertising or a video advertising, just like what we have in YouTube and what we're seeing now in the television. While we are watching our favorite telenovela, there would be a commercial. So that's the mid-roll ads for live video. And right now, they are also looking for another revenue stream, which is the Facebook group. It's growing very rapidly. In 2014, Facebook users are just 500 million. And right now, in 2016, just 2 years after, there are 1 billion users in Facebook group. And that's also why back in 2014, Facebook released its standalone app. So on your mobile, you can actually download the application only for Facebook groups. And that's because of that. One of the reasons why the number of users doubled in 2 years, it's because there are a lot of Facebook groups right now that do buy and sell. So now you see me. Well, what do I mean by now you see me? I'm going to share with you what I have on my screen, how it looks like. So I was surprised when I saw the ad browsing a Facebook group. So I know and I am aware that it can't be done until this week. So I was on my mobile, but right now I'm showing you my desktop. This is a public group, mga Filipinos sa Singapore. And notice that as I scroll down here, these are the member of that group. And if you see here, it says suggested for you, Michael Hyatt sponsored. This is a free ebook that's being offered by Michael Hyatt. So again, before, this is not available. I think right now, because I checked most of the Facebook groups that I joined, for closed and secret groups, I wasn't able to I am na wala akong nakita na Facebook ads. So I checked other public groups like this one, Entrepreneur Mastermind Group. It's also a public group. So I scroll down again. There is another sponsored ad. And of course, you see this all the time, right? But in the news feed, mobile and what do you call it? And desktop, we can now see it. Parang story lang or post. Let me scroll down. So there. Another one is Drummer Hilario Virtual Careers. It's also a public group that I'm a member of. And as we scroll down, we will see another sponsored ad, which is EverCoach. Then there's another one. This is a public group of Filipino professionals on the internet. There. So as we scroll down again, we will see another sponsored ad, which is BetterHelp. I hope it is connected with the group Start Online Counseling. What is this group all about? Professionals group on the internet. So probably these people has been tag related to online counseling. So let's try to scroll down a bit and see if meron pang lalabas na sponsored ad. Sa taas lang yata. Oh, there's another one, Wix. So this Wix is a drag and drop website builder. So there you go. So now you know that we now can have Facebook ads on Facebook groups. And what does it mean? It means that, of course, number one, Facebook is Facebook is going to reach its maximum limit by next year. A lot of advertisers are going to fight over desktop placement, and it's good to know that there are other avenues that we can place our ads into. So I hope that you learned a lot today, and see you in the next videos.